Okay, Carl, this is our first attempt at a soup in our brand new Deluxe blender from Pampered Chef. Yum! So we did a butternut squash. So I did about 2.5 cups of chicken broth. You can use vegetable broth or you can use water. I used 3 cups of cubed butternut squash. I used 1 small onion. I put in 1 small apple. I chopped up a little bit of carrot. I also added about 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, about 1/4 teaspoon of fresh ginger, and I think that's, 2 cloves garlic. So we're going to put that in. When this is all done, then I'm going to add some heavy cream. So all we have to do is turn the little dial to, Carl's being mischievous, to soup. See, that's soup. And then you press your little button. And then you walk away. And we'll see how it comes out. Okay, as you can see, the little circle is bringing it up to temperature. It doesn't heat by friction. It brings it up to temperature and it blends. See, it's boiling. Oh my God, it smells amazing. It says, it beeped at me, it says that it's at end. So now what I'm going to do is, it says to add about 1 cup of heavy cream. So let's go ahead and do that. That looks like about 1 cup. Alright, so I hit cancel. Now I added my cream and it says pulse. Cancel. Alright, let's spoon this baby out. Okay, so after tasting it, I thought it needed a little bit more salt, so I added some salt. Then I dished it up into this bowl. I added a little bit of everything bagel seasoning for the top because I didn't have the pumpkin seeds or whatever that the recipe called for. And I also sprinkled some oaky, smoky pepper on that. And it is amazing. It really is. Easy. Throw everything in the blender. Walk away. And then you have dinner. Oh, so good.